Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add the dissolve effect to your videos on CapCut PC. So just select a bunch of videos first. I'm just going to add some here. Let me just do this ratio. And then once you've added all of your videos, you're just going to go to the transitions page. Then you are going to just type in dissolve here. And you're just going to select the one you want. There's dissolve like 2, 3, 4. I don't know where dissolve 1 is, but there should be one. You're just going to select the one you want here, and you're just going to apply it. Press OK. You can also adjust the duration of your video transition, and I'll add a different one here. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.